Hello everyone, welcome to our data handling adventure. Today we are going to learn about bar graphs. Bar graphs are a fun and easy way to show information. So what are bar graphs? Bar graphs are special charts that use bars to help us understand numbers and categories. Bar graphs are easier to understand than other charts like pictographs. They help us see patterns quickly. Are you ready to discover how they work? Let's get started. Let's look closely at a bar graph and see how it works. A bar graph has three main parts. The horizontal axis is the line at the bottom. It shows different groups or categories. For example, in this picture, it shows colors like red, yellow, blue, and green. The vertical axis is the line going up. It shows numbers or quantities. In this picture, it tells us how many students like each color. The bars are the colorful rectangles. Each bar stands for one color, and its height shows how many students like that color. For example, the blue bar is tall up to 20 because 20 students like blue. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's learn how to make a bar graph. Creating a bar graph is simple if you follow these steps. Collect data. Start by gathering the information you want to display. Decide on axis. Choose what will go on the horizontal axis categories and the vertical axis numbers. Draw bars. For each category, draw a bar. The height of the bar should match the amount of data it represents. Add labels and a title. Clearly label the axis and give your graph a title to explain what it shows. Let's use an example to make it clearer. You want to create a bar graph showing the favorite foods of class 4 students. Step 1. Collect data. You asked the students and found that 15 like pizza, 12 like burgers, 10 like sandwiches, and 8 like ice cream. Step 2. Decide on axis. Put the favorite foods pizza, burger, sandwich, ice cream on the horizontal axis and the number of students on the vertical axis. Step 3. Draw bars. Draw a bar for each food. For example, the bar for pizza will be the tallest since 15 students like it, and the bar for ice cream will be the shortest since only 8 students like them. Step 4. Label and title. Label the axis clearly favorite foods and number of students. And add a title like favorite foods of class IV students. So, hope you have learned how to make a bar graph. Let's move on to learn how to read a bar graph now. Reading a bar graph is simple and fun. Let's take an example. Imagine we have the weights of 4 children aboard: Rupa, Raki, and Ravi. Look at the bars. Each bar shows the weight of one child. The height of the bar tells us how much they weigh. Here's how you read it. The taller the bar, the heavier the child, and the shorter the bar, the lighter the child. Simple, right? Bar graphs make it easy to see and compare numbers. Now, let's move on to the question, why are bar graphs so important? Bar graphs help us to understand information quickly and clearly, compare different categories easily, find patterns or trends in data. They're used in schools, businesses, and even by scientists to solve problems and share ideas. Bar graphs make it easy to see and compare numbers. Now that you've learned all about bar graphs, go ahead and try making one on your own. Thank you for watching.